Hello and welcome to this another CAD tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you how to create uh, gutter or roof gutter. So let us begin. As you can see, I have already series two roofing which has a gutter already. Okay. A hip roofing and with gable roofing with a combination of gable roof and all hip roofing. Okay, so let us start. I'm going to create the roof profile first. So here I'm going to create a rectangle with a dimension of 10 by 10 or 10 meters by 10 meters. I'm going to create another roof here. So this is the base. Okay, and then I'm going to trim all those lines, intersecting lines. I'll just type TR. And then since these are made uh, made by different rectangles, I'm going to make this as B pulley. So I'm going to erase all those base lines. Okay, so this one is already B pulley lines. I'm going to copy this one by typing CO and then bring this to the right side. I'm going to extrude this one, typing AXT for the extrude and then space, and then I will just type T for the tapering angle and then space, and I'll just input 70 for the angle, space, and then the distance I'm going to input 2 meters for the distance. So as you can see, the tapered roof is not yet done. So I'm going to select edit from home menu and then select the surface, the offset faces command from the edit. So as you can see, I highlighted the portion which is not yet tapered. So and then space offset from the command line, you have there specify the offset distance. So I'll just type 2 meters and then let us repeat, offset faces space and then offset distance, let us say 2. Let's repeat. Okay. So I repeat the command, just type AXT, no? And then T for taper. This is select or input to, no, AXT taper and then 70, let us say 65 space, and then height would be 2 meters. Then let us select this And then let us try to input one. Let us repeat the command. One. Okay, so there you go. You have already the heap roof. I'm going to select other, let us say, I'm going to create the polyline as the path line for the extrusion or the sweep command. So I'm gonna outline the profile or the base profile of the hip rope. Okay, so I'm going to move this one here. So as you can see, I have already the base profile, and of course, since they are just same. So, but first I'm going to slice this one to make it gable. So I'll select the edit command and then or input slice command. Slice, then select the object to slice, space, specify start point. So let us try this one. Specify second point, so I'll just drag this one and space. So for the gable, I'll repeat the slice command. Just type slice, or you can select the edit and then you have there the slice command. Select the object and then select the first point and then space. And there you go. So I'm going to create another pulley lines, no? 3D pulley. I'll just input 3D pulley. So I'll start here. For the 3D pulley line. And then I'm going to trace the profile of the roofing, in which the gutter will be swept. Okay, so let us move this one. Okay, this one. Here already. So I'm going to create a gutter profile. So I will not just input I will not input the exact measurements of the gutter. So I'm going to rotate this one. Just make sure that the gizmo is in rotate mode. So I have here rotate mode gizmo. Or you can just input 3D rotate command in your command line. And then select. And then choose this red, in which the pulley line or the object will be rotate in this axis at the x-axis. So let us see. Let us input 90 degrees. So there you go. So let us move this one, or just copy this one, since we also have another roof gutter to be made. Okay, so I'm going to sweep this one so that it will become a roof gutter. So just select sweep from create and then select objects to sweep, this one, this gutter, and then space, select sweep path, this one. So there you go. So let us move this one to this one. That symbolizes gutter. Of course, if you're going to make it more realistic, so you have to offset this one. So let us try to offset. So specify offset distance 0.02. Let's try. Okay. Let's rotate this one. 30 rotate to 90 or negative 90. Okay. And then let us create a B-poly. Let us zoom a little bit. Oh no. Let us just trim this first. Okay. B-poly. A close boundary cannot be determined. Why is this? So let us try to trace this one. So let us rotate. Okay. Let's copy this one. Here. Then let us try, let us sweep. Then space. Okay, so there you go. Okay, so you have there the gutter. You have there the closed gutter, which just represent a simple 3D for the gutter, but I made the open gutter, which is the actual gutter. Okay, so that's all. I hope you learned something on how to create gutter or roof gutter. Thank you.